Hey, hi, this is Suresh Shetty. I'm a business transformation coach. Today we are going to discuss about a different topic which is of paramount importance for every leader in the corporate as well as business. Before we proceed with our contents today, let me make an appeal to you. Please make your comments in the comment box and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have started YouTube channel with a clear objective that all our viewers who are representing their business, whether it is a small or medium business or the large business, at the same time those who are looking forward to start their own dream to become a businessman, that also includes the startups, and it is essentially the kind of the wisdom that we are going to share over the last 40 years experience, and that is going to add a lot of value for the listeners and the viewers. With this, today's topic is role modeling. Let me tell you very frankly, when we talk about role modeling, the journey ahead is not so easy. The journey ahead is tough. I would say it is difficult. However, it is not impossible. The reason being why it is so difficult, because when we talk about role modeling, someone who leads a team, someone who leads a business has to become role model. When we talk about definition of role model, it is clear that it is the best perfection in terms of managing your time, managing your resources, managing the meetings, and therefore today I have covered various examples. First, we need to understand what is role modeling. Role modeling is nothing but it is the benchmark. Role modeling is difficult but not impossible. So why it is difficult? The definition of role modeling will make it very clear. When we talk about role modeling, to become a role model for any given aspects, it is nothing but you become a benchmark. You become a benchmark because there is no comparison over and above you. When you become a benchmark, you have to set the rules. You have to set the rules of the game. You have to set the parameters of the game. And when you set the parameters of the game, you have to see that it is world class. Because the benchmarking is always, we talk about the best in class. When we talk about best in class, it is essentially the world class performance. So role model is a person who is being viewed by others, including your team members and your partners, your colleagues, as if you are the one who is practicing what is best standard in the sector, what is best standard in the industry, what is best standard in your own area of domains, whether it is a human resource management, operations management, quality management, marketing and sales management, customer management. And of course, it is not possible for every person to become a role model in all the domains. But there are certain areas like segments where you can become a role model. We'll see how it is possible to become a role model and why it is essential to become role model. Because it's all about a learning process for the team, especially those who are at entry level, those who are interns, who come from the corporates and join the corporates and the various organizations. For them, they are looking forward for someone who can become a role model for them, so that they can do shadowing, they can adopt their best practices, and they can fulfill their own journey of career growth in the corporates and as well as of course in the business. So if you are a business leader, make sure that you become a role model in any segment of your choice. So let's look forward with the examples. The first and foremost example is about the managing time. If you are a role model and you are leading the team, make sure that whatever time that you have committed, whether it is for meeting, whether it is for the interview, conducting interview, make sure you be there at least 10 minutes before the scheduled time. So when you are physically available, it gives a clear message, it sends loud message to everyone that yes, the leader is available, then others will also follow you. The second is all about managing meeting management. When you are conducting meeting, you could be a chairman, you could be a leader of that meeting. Make sure when you call for the meeting, you should be the first person who should be physically present at the venue. Even if it is an online meeting through Zoom and so on, make sure you follow the time and then you report at least 10 minutes before the scheduled time. So what happens, you are sending loud message that you mean business. So your team members will take you very seriously and they will also simply follow you by reporting on time. And third, quality management. The quality in terms of do first time right, quality in terms of your service quality, quality in terms of your product quality, or quality in terms of managing time, managing meeting and so on. You can extend this element of quality to any of the areas within the domain. So when you follow your best practices as a benchmark owner, that is called role model, you are sending a clear message. So it is very essential that you must ensure that people must follow you and then you are enjoying the status as a role model. People will talk about you with a lot of pride. People will talk about you with a lot of respect. And that is very essential for you to become a successful role model. With this, I would like to take a pause here. But before we proceed, let me once again make an appeal to you. Please make your comments in the comment box. And at the same time, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe and give your suggestions, so that will help us to understand what are your expectations from us, and we'll keep on updating our videos and it will be available to you on our YouTube channel. Now, if you are looking forward to follow the best practice to become a role model or any areas within your business perspective or your business empire, then I have a good news for you. The good news is we have recently launched webinars and we are going to conduct a 3-hour webinar which is going to provide you the orientation as to how to become a successful business leader that will help you to achieve your business growth. So this 3 hours webinar is going to be conducted on the 13th March 2022 on Sunday. The details will be available in the description. Please visit the YouTube channel. Please see that all details are available, and I would like to see you physically present, attend this webinar through Zoom meeting, and you will get a lot of takeaway from this webinar. So till then, bye. Thank you.